Hi guys, welcome today in this additional with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper on Saturday, October the 17th, 2020. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic and number 1, tectonic and number 2, a binary number 1 and a binary number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all. Too much time consuming, so I will do 4 of them. The 3 stars, the 4 stars, 1 tectonic and 1 binary. Alright. So the first one is Sudoku with 3 stars, and this one will be number 1, 7, 6, 8. Alright, 1, 7, 6, 8. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me count them. 3, 7, plus 4 is 7, plus 4 is 11, plus 3 is 14, plus 3 is equal to 17, plus 3 is 20, 21, 23, plus 2 is equal to 25. Correct. The 3 star Sudoku has always 25 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yes. In this row, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in this box. Here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. We see here 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle columns, on the column next. The only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, we see there 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 2. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the 3? No. The 4 then. Yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so in the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 9 could be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. There's 6, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 8 are missing. 7 and 8, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about how about 7 and 8? Yeah. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 1 should be there. No. No. Alright. How about the 6 in this row, the 6 in the third row, so in the second row, the row between, only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. Well. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here. Oh, there we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. No. Yes. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We have a 3 in this row, a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 5, 8, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, we see there 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in the third column for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so in the middle row. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 1. Alright. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, alright. Let me see. Yeah. How about Yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. These numbers are the 3, the 8, and the 9. 3, 8, 9. And we have an 8 here. I believe the 8 and the 5. Let me mark them for you, 8 and a 5. So in this box cannot be an 8. And it cannot be a 3. So the 8 and the 3 cannot be here. So one digit left should be the 9. The 8 and the 3 goes in those two boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9. We see there 9, so no 9 in those two boxes. One box left for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about these two numbers in this row, the 7 and the 4? Let me mark them, 7 and 4. Those two boxes in this big square, the 5 and the 8. Cannot fill this yet, 8 and 5. That means the other two numbers should be the 3 and the 7. 3 and the 7. No, cannot fill this yet. This row, 8 and the 5, 8 and the 5. And look, we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. And the 8 goes there. One box left. I've eliminated the 5. The 8. So the 8 goes there. Two boxes left in this big square. The 7 and the 5. Let me mark them. 7 and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One box left in this column should be the number 7. Two boxes left in the first row, the 8 and the 5. 8 and 5. 8 and a 5. No, I cannot fill this yet. Wow. How about these two numbers in this big square, the 8 and the 5 also? Let me mark them, 8 and a 5, 8 and a 5, 8 and a 5, yes. This should be also 8 and a 5. How about these two numbers? We have a 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 7. And this should be a 5. 7, 7. How about these two numbers now? 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. Let me mark them for you. 3 and a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 goes here. 7, 8, and a 9. I cannot fill this yet. 4, 4, 4. Alright. 8 and a 5. These two numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and 3 and a 4 are missing. 3 and a 4. Let me mark them. 3 and a 4. 7. 6, 6. 6, 6. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 9. 5, 6, and a 9 goes in those 3 boxes. 5, 6, and a 9. We have a 5 and a 9 here. So this box cannot be 5 or a 9. The 9 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. 9 and a 5, so 1 digit left should be the 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this box cannot be 6 anymore. This box should be the 6. Alright, now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 3 and the 5. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 9. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 9 and the 8 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 1 box left in this column for the number 3. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 5 is missing. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be an 8. Now we have a 5 there, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 5. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.